Ano po ang update sa mga kababayan natin sa dyan sa Lebanon? Meron na po bang nagpahiwatig na gusto nilang ma-repatriate or makauwi sa ating bayan? Or so far wala pa po dahil panawagan pa lamang po ninyo few days ago ito sa mga kababayan natin?
Well, nanawagan na po, na-raise na po yung alert level sa Lebanon ng level 3, which is voluntary repatriation, no? The ones that are more affected will be the Filipinos in southern Lebanon. According to our embassy in Beirut, estimated nila na mga 3,000 Filipinos doon. A combination of OFWs and mga hindi OFWs na migrants po. They are families. Families na po nila ang mga Lebanese na doon.
So, ano ho ma'am, wala pa kayong bilang kung ilan na ang nagpahiwatig na uuwi sila, particular na. Siguro yung mga may pamilya na doon, hindi pa. Pero yung mga OFW po natin.
It's still early kasi in our experience, no, nagko-kolekta pa lang po. Nagko-kolekta pa lang po ng information, but it's still too early to count how many of them because karamihan sa kanila ayaw talaga umalis if they're happy with their employers or they're happy with their families. So it's a little early, sir. Give the numbers now.
Wala naman daw karahasan doon, maliban na lang sa naririnig nila mga bomba. Wala namang namatay. Wag naman po sana nasaktan ng mga Pilipino. Ma'am?
So far po, wala pa naman po. Wala naman, I mean, the Filipinos have not been affected.
So, voluntary repatriation, no, ma'am?
Voluntary.
Okay. Panghuli na lang, Asek Mendoza, pero ready naman po, naka-ready, may pondo ang gobyerno para ilikas sila.
Yes, we are ready.
Ayun.
Yes po.
Nako,
Yes po.
salamat.
We are ready.
Salamat.
We are ready for that one.
Thank
Our
you.
embassy prepared early. DFA is prepared early.
All right.
The same po with other parts of the world.
Alright. Okay. Yung sa Israel, ma'am, kung ongoing ba or na-trap pa rin o pinayagan na makalusot yung mga na-stranded doon sa Gaza?
See. Well, sa Gaza, it's still under blockade, sir. We're still waiting for word on when a humanitarian corridor will open, particularly on the southern border going towards Egypt. So, insofar as the humanitarian corridor has not been opened, nobody can get in or out.
I think only yung mga trucks po ang pinapasok na may dalang food supplies, yun lang po yata ang pinapasok. Is that correct?
I'm still checking on that report, sir, kung pinapasok na sila because those supplies are severely needed in Gaza.
Humanitarian aid.
No? But in terms of getting out, na walang proper credentials, meaning sa UN talaga sila, we're not sure, sir, na palalabasin talaga sila. It's a very sensitive issue. And, our focus being ATN. We don't want to go into politics. Pero yun, sir.
May curious lang ako. Paano yung mga repatriate pero sa pagmamadali, walang mga passport? Pero anong magiging basis kayo ng DFA na, sige, Pilipino ka, pero naiwan niya yung passport dahil tumakas siya, Ma'am
dahil
Bernadette?
tumakas or because the property has been destroyed.
Yes,
May paraan naman po kasi we have a system naman of retrieving records. If they used to have passport or travel documents, marireceive naman po namin yung records and then we can reconstruct.
Ayun.
Pwede ba online na lang yan, soft copy?
I will defer to our consular affairs.
Alright.
Pero may
Yun ang
paraan po
mabilisan
kami.
Ayun.
We have been in this situation before, sir. We don't want to give a lot of details kasi syempre may nakabantay, no, kung paano yan magagawa ng paraan and they might copy. So, I hope, sir, you understand.